In other news, Rana Sangha insult controversy intensifies even further. Well, today marks the birth anniversary of Rana Sangha and police presence has been heightened around Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal's residence in Agra. Karni Sena has issued an ultimatum to the Samajwadi Party. They say SP must take action against the MP or face consequences. Remember, Ramji Lal had made controversial comments against Rana Sangha. Now, Akhilesh Yadav says he's full confidence in the administration to protect the MP from mob threats, adding that the mob should not be given a free hand as they may turn violent. If anything happens to Ramji Lal, the government will be held responsible, said Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. On the other hand, SP Baghel has demanded an apology from Ramji Lal over his remarks on Rana Sangha, saying the sentiment of the people has been hurt and the MP must issue an apology.
It was a statement given by Samajwadi Party MP Ramji Lal Suman, which egged the members of the Karni Sena from across the country and especially those living in Uttar Pradesh. First, there was an attempt by the Karni Sena workers to reach the house of Ramji Lal Suman weeks back, and today on April 12th, here at Gadi Rami in Agra, what you see is that hundreds and hundreds of workers of Karni Sena from across the country, specifically from Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, are gathering here in big numbers with a single demand that Ramji Lal Suman should apologize and Samajwadi Party should take action against him. And here are the organizers. On the stage, you will see Rana Sangha's portrait, which has been kept, and the organizers are also trying to ensure that the members are in discipline. The police have made adequate security arrangements so that law and order situation cannot get disturbed. But it's to be seen as to what is the stance of the Samajwadi Party from here. Moreover, a few kilometers away in Agra town is the residence of Ramji Lal Suman, and there are questions about security of his residence as well, and that is why the police has beefed up the security around his house. With video journalist Kunj Bihari, this is Amit Bhardwaj reporting for India Today from Agra.
हमारी मांग है कि राणा सांगा एक व्यक्ति विशेष के लिए लड़ाई नहीं लड़ा है। उन्होंने 36 कौम के लिए लड़ाई लड़ी, पूरे भारत वर्ष के लिए लड़ाई लड़ी। उन्होंने 80 घाव अपने शरीर पे सहे, लेकिन एक क्षीण मानसिकता व्यक्ति राज्यसभा सांसद ने बहुत गलत बयानबाजी करके क्षत्रियों को आक्रोशित कर दिया। इसमें क्षत्रिय नहीं बल्कि सर्व समाज के लोग आक्रोशित हैं।
मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि प्रशासन रामजा सुमन जी के सम्मान और रामजा सुमन जी के ऊपर किसी तरह का अपमान का व्यवहार नहीं कर पाएंगे। और अगर अभी भी सरकार ने खुली छूट दे रखी है तो सरकार इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है।
रामजी लाल सुमन द्वारा राज्यसभा में हमारे राष्ट्रवीर राणा सांगा जी के प्रति प्रतिकूल टिप्पणी होने पर सभी राष्ट्रवादी लोग, क्षत्रिय समाज के अलावा अन्य समाज के लोग जो राष्ट्रभक्त हैं, उनकी भावना आहत हुई है। इसलिए उन्हें माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए और उन्होंने जो ये